Hi, Paul and Sam. Thank you for the design you have sent me. I have some comments to it. First of all, I've made a big mistake by telling you that the name was Crazy About Weddings, because now that I see that you've used the Y and the Z like this, it looks amazing and it's a great idea. The only problem is that the name is Crazy About Weddings, but it's in Danish. So this means that um, the name in Danish is something else, and we cannot use it in this way. So that's a little bit a shame because now you used a lot of time on it. But that's totally my mistake. So nothing to do about it. But what I can say is that I like the font you have chosen. I like the heart very much. And I don't like the color because I think the color blends too much into the same color as the flower here, so it kind of disappears, and I would like it to stand out a little bit. I will now send you the Danish name so that you got that to work with instead, and then I would like to see it with the same font and with a different color that stands out a little bit, and it could be a yellow, brownish color, and it could also be a warm red like the one we find down here. Something like that. The next thing is the sign up button. I don't like it. We have to make some changes here. What I don't like is that the warm feeling that you get when you see these flowers, when you see the ornaments that are made here, is kind of lost in this button because it's too much like a sign you see in a supermarket. Let's first of all delete the free because I think it's too much in your face, and we need to choose another color because this color is too red for me. I would like something similar to this that is warmer. This is too much red. This is more a warmer kind of red. And then I would like also to have not so sharp edges. Try just to say sign up now and make the edges a little bit rounder, and change the background color and remove the free. It could be a button that is totally round. I mean that just is all round, and well, I don't know how that will look, but we need to work a little bit more on that. The last thing I want to mention is that this white space here is kind of bothering me because when I look at the page like this, it seems like this is not kind of worked through because it's just too big, this white space. So I looked at a Danish wedding page, and they have this supplier list, supplier guide here, and I think we should try and add something like this. So if you can write in the top supplier guide, that means just below here somewhere supplier guide, and then have a subheading and a lot of links, another subheading, a lot of links, another subheading, a lot of links. This is like wedding dresses, rings, photographers, food, and yeah, some other stuff. So if you can make a list similar to this one, I will send you this link as well, and put it in below this sign up field, and then send me that example. And then I would also like one example where you take away this whole thing right here, and then just do a sign up button here in this empty space that we have here, because this could be exploited as well because the menu is not that big. So make a sign up button here instead, take away this whole thing, and let the supplier list start here in the top. So we can see how that looks like. It has to be divided in some way from this welcome text, but I think that might be pretty good.